What value of x makes the equation 4 times 5 minus 7x equal to 6 minus 12x true? Guys, even though this doesn't look like a system of equations, it is. You have two equations. You want to know when they're equal to each other. So you want to know when these two equations are the same to one another. So guys, all you have to do for this one is graph both sides of the equation. I'm going to split it into two sides, the left side, the right side. So I'm going to graph the left side first, guys. 4, 5 minus 7x. And then I'm going to graph the right side, 6 minus 12x. And I have two lines. So now I want to know when they are equal to one another or the same. When is the left the same as the right? Well, let's go ahead and look at your graph, guys. If you look at your graph, your lines seem to be the same around right here, this point where they cross. And that point where they cross is 0.875, negative 4.5. So now you have two numbers, but you only have a blank for one number. So which number do you choose? Do you choose the 0.875 or the negative 4.5? You're going to want to choose the number that they tell you. They tell you to find the value of x, right? That means they want the x value. They want the number on the left or the 0.875. So when you fill these boxes in, you're going to put the x value. So, oh, I'm already messing up. That first box, you're going to tell me if it's positive or negative. It's positive, so it's going to be a plus. And then you're going to say 0.875. That's how you solve number 4 and number 10. Just figure out when these two lines are the same or find the point where they cross.